All right, hey guys, so here is the next segment in our tutorials for your state report project. This section is called Geography, and you have 3 slides for the 3 states that you've chosen, and I'm going to teach you how to complete this slide. Are you ready? Let's go. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to notice that we have our United States map right here on your slide, and you have a little green star over here. And if you read these directions, it tells you exactly what to do. It says, place the star on top of your state. Now remember, when we are doing these slides as examples, we're always using Maine. So we're going to continue with Maine. So I don't know, you guys know where Maine is by now. It's right up here. It's about as far away from California as you can get. And that is step 1. The next section we're going to complete is this purple section called Bordering States. Bordering states simply means the states that are neighbors with your state. That's all. So for Maine, we're going to look up on a map the states that border Maine or that share a border. Like I said, the easiest way to think of them is states that are neighbors with your state all the way around. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to our class website. You're going to go to Social Studies. And you're going to scroll right here to this beautiful United States map. Now, you're going to find your state. For me, it's Maine. And I'm going to look to see what my bordering states are. Well, this state right here is bordering Maine. See how it's right next door? There's only one for Maine. There's only one. And it's the state of New Hampshire. So I'm not going to copy that because you can't copy and paste on here. I'm going to get my whiteboard and I'm going to write it down. Oh, I'm going to look and be like New Hampshire. I've written it right here. Those are my notes. And I'm going to come right back here. And I'm going to use my whiteboard with my notes to spell New Hampshire. And like I said, my state only has one border, but yours might have more. Let's take a look. Let's say you're doing the state of Texas. A lot of you are doing Texas. Texas has several neighbors, several bordering states. One of them, New Mexico. Another one, Oklahoma. Another one, even just a teeny bit, Arkansas. And another one, Louisiana. So it has 4 bordering states. So you'd write all 4 down. If you're doing California, California looks like it has 3 neighbors, 3 bordering states. Oregon, Nevada, and Arizona. So you'd write those 3 states. A lot of you have New York. You might have to zoom in. You might have to go in really like, wow, let's see all those bordering states for New York. Look at Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Vermont. So it has a lot of neighbors. Anyway, if you need help with this, let us know, but all you're doing is looking for the neighbors of your state. So every state is different. You find your state, you find its neighbors, and you write them in the purple section called Bordering States. The next section is called Bordering Bodies of Water. Oceans, rivers, big giant lakes, maybe, touch your state. Some of you, it might be none. Like Oklahoma, there's no bordering body of water in Oklahoma. So you'll have to just look. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our map again. Not this one because it doesn't have the names of any of the bodies of water, any of this blue stuff, which is water. We're going to come up here. Here it is. And we're going to take a look at this map. Now, You can make this bigger by clicking View Larger Map. And there is our United States, and here are the names of all the bodies of water. We have the North Pacific Ocean, we have the Gulf of Mexico, the North Atlantic Ocean, and if you click, so if your state is, for example, Wyoming, is there any water, any oceans surrounding Wyoming? No, so you would put none. But for me, with Maine, I'm going to click over here. We're going to go to Maine. There's a giant body of water right here, and that, we have to find the name of it. Whoa, whoa. This is the North Atlantic Ocean. That's the body of water that touches Maine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my slide and I'm going to write North Atlantic Ocean. Oops, I spelled North Atlantic. North Atlantic Ocean. There you go. Major landforms. The final one, this orange box, is a little bit different. And I talked to you about this in class, but let's talk about it again. So let's do it this way. Let's do insert, image, search the web, and I'm just going to put Maine. I'm going to find an actual picture, not a picture of like a map or anything like that, but a nice picture of Maine, something that would make you want to visit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick for my picture of Maine, this lighthouse. Okay, it's a major, major lighthouse in Maine, and I've actually been to it. It's so beautiful, right on the ocean. So I'm going to click that because it's meaningful to me. There you go. And that's my picture for Maine. So we're not doing a major landform. In fact, if you want to even cover that up, you can. Just like that. For Maine. So instead of writing the major landforms, you're just going to search a cool picture of Maine and insert it there. That's what we're going to do. That's it. That is slide. That is the geography slide. So easy. Put your star, find your bordering states, find your bordering bodies of water, and a picture of something in your state that is interesting to you. All right? Good luck.